Welcome back. We've talked about probability and statistics, and now we're going to combine those ideas to understand one of the most useful concepts in data science: probability distributions. So, what is a probability distribution? It's simply a graph or a function that tells you the probability of every possible outcome of an event. It gives you a complete picture of what is likely, what is rare, and everything in between. It's like having a blueprint that shows you the inherent shape of a random process. Let's start with the simplest one, the uniform distribution. Here, every possible outcome has the exact same probability. The graph of a uniform distribution is just a flat, horizontal line. A perfect example is rolling a single fair die. The probability of getting a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 are all exactly the same, 1/6. Next is the most important distribution of all, the normal distribution, also known as the bell curve. You've seen this shape everywhere. It describes events where the values tend to cluster around a central average, and extreme values get rarer and rarer the further you get from the center. So many things in nature, like human height, blood pressure, and measurement errors, follow this beautiful, symmetric curve. Another critical one is the binomial distribution. This is what you use when you have a fixed number of trials, and each trial can only have two outcomes, like success, or failure, or heads, or tails. The binomial distribution tells you the probability of getting a certain number of successes. For example, it could tell you the exact probability of getting exactly 7 heads if you flip a coin 10 times. So why is it so important for an AI learner to know these shapes? Because many machine learning models make underlying assumptions about the distribution of your data. By visualizing your data and recognizing its shape, you can choose a more appropriate and powerful model for the task. It's about matching the right statistical tool to the right data problem. Congratulations! You now have a mental library of the fundamental blueprints of randomness. By recognizing these common distributions, you can quickly understand and describe the patterns in your data. In our next lesson, we're going to clarify a very important term that we've been using all along. What exactly do we mean by function in the world of AI?